Good morning, students. Sage Anandam. My name is Professor Menali and I'm from SIRT College, and I usually work in AIML branch. Here we are with our another topic, that is data and hypothesis. So, in our last topic, we have worked on data. We have spoke about it. अभी ये समझते हैं what is hypothesis. देखो, जब भी आप स्टैटिस्टिक परफॉर्म करते हो, whenever you talk about statistics, we basically deal with two type of statistic. The one is descriptive statistics and the other one is inferential statistics. So when we talk about descriptive statistics, it is basically about calculating mean, median, mode, variance and standard deviation, right? But when we talk about inferential statistics, we talk about hypothesis. जब हम population का conclusion निकालने के लिए sample का use करते हैं और sample पे hypothesis लगाते हैं, this is where our definition comes, statistical hypothesis generation. आप slide में देख पा रहे होंगे कि formulating a hypothesis about a population parameter based on observed data, है ना? अब स्टैटिस्टिकल हाइपोथेसिस भी वही है जहां पे आपको ये पता चलता है कि आप अपने सैंपल पे जो क्लेम लगा रहे हैं वो कितना सही या कितना गलत है. टू परफॉर्म स्टैटिस्टिकल हाइपोथेसिस टेस्टिंग हम तीन तरीके से बेसिकली हम चार हमारे पास टेक्निक्स हैं, बट इन दिस वी आर ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट थ्री टॉपिक्स, दैट इज CSCY, टी-टेस्ट एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस, जिसको अनोवा भी कहा जाता है. CSCY टेस्ट परफॉर्म करने हम तब करेंगे जब हमें पता होगा कि we need to determine if there is significant association between two categorical variables. जब मेरे पास वेरिएबल का जो फॉर्मेट है वो कैटेगोरिकल फॉर्मेट में है और जब मेरे पास उसके ऊपर हाइपोथेसिस लगाने का है, तो एट दैट टाइम वी विल बी यूजिंग CSCY टेस्ट. हम टी-टेस्ट तब यूज करेंगे जब we need to compare the means of two groups to determine if there is significant difference or not. Next है analysis of variance, जिसको हम ANOVA भी कहते हैं. When we want to compare the means of more than two groups and we need to check if there is any significant difference or not, at that point we will be using ANOVA. सपोज कीजिए कि आपके पास you want to test whether there is a significant difference in the average squares of three methods. Like if we have three methods of teaching ABC on a student, here we are having three groups, right? ABC, हमारे पास तीन parameters हैं, और जब हमारे पास तीन parameters होते हैं तो then you can easily answer your interviewer that we are going to use ANOVA to analyze the hypothesis of the data. Next, we are dealing with correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is actually used when we examine the strength and the direction of the linear relationship between two continuous variables using correlation coefficient, like Pearson correlation. For example, suppose you want to understand the relationship between the hours of study, exam scores, and a positive correlation coefficient would be indicative at that study hours increase, exam scores or also tend to increase. Here we are having a sufficient data about hypothesis of the data. In the next video, we will be discussing a more related to it. Thank you for today. Thank you.